Samantala, isang veteran singer is bound to break into the American music scene. Ano nga ba ang nakakaintrigang kwento sa pagkikita ng isa sa mga miyembro dati ng The Carpenters sa tinaguriang Karen Carpenter of the Philippines na si Miss Claire de la Fuente? Narito po ang buong kwento.
She may already be singing for 30 years, but one of Claire de la Fuente's biggest dreams may just be starting to come true for her. Dahil ang binansagang Karen Carpenter ng Pilipinas, nakatrabaho ang mismong kapatid ng kanyang foreign counterpart na si Richard Carpenter.
Gumawa ko ng isang album for international release. In the process, habang naghanap kami ng kanta, pumayag si Sir Richard Carpenter, nakantahin ko yung isang awiting ginawa niya, yung Something in Your Eyes.
It was a song na originally isinulat ni Richard for Karen during the 80s. Pero hindi na ito nagawang i-record pa matapos pumanaw ang kapatid. And after over 20 years, it found its way to Claire's upcoming comeback album sa tulong na rin ng isa sa mga lyricists ni Richard Carpenter.
Nagkataon lang na si Pamela at saka ang aking producer na si Mr. Christian De Walden ay long-lost friend. And then Karen, may similarity sila ni Karen. Yun ang sinabi niya. Tingnan mo na lang. So, pinakinggan niya and she was so delighted. At kinumbinsan niya si Richard na ibigay sa akin yung kanta, maski hindi pa ako naririnig ni Richard.
Naluharaw si Richard Carpenter ng personal na marinig ang tinig ni Claire nang ipatawag niya ito sa mismong bahay niya sa Los Angeles. At dahil dito, personal pa raw itong naging involved sa paggawa ng album ni Claire, even promising to visit the Philippines para sa launching nito on February.
Nakikipag-collaborate siya for the mixing of the album, for the mixing of the song, Something in Your Eyes. So, natutuwa siya at natuwa din daw yata siya sa kinalabasan ng kanta. He was so happy and he's so delighted that he's coming over. Darating siya ng February 14, definite na yon. February 14 up to the 20th, nandito siya to honor the Filipinos.
Bukod kay Richard Carpenter, 6 na kanta rin daw ang ginawa ni Jimmy Borja for her. At ilang international musicians din daw ang nakipag-collaborate to produce her album. Some of them having worked with legends such as Barbara Streisand, Michael Jackson, and Madonna. Pero ang isa sa pinaka-pinagmamalaki ni Claire about this album,
I'm also so proud because my son is now an international songwriter. Nagpartner sila ni Pamela Phillips Olan, isa sa mga lyricist din ni Richard Carpenter. Nagpartner sila ng anak ko for a song. And the song is entitled If I Dream Without You.
Gigo in turn told Showbiz Central he is all doing this for his mom na minsan nang isinakripisyo ang karir at ang mga pangarap nito para mag-focus sa pagiging asawa at ina.
It's always been my dream to actually have her sing a song for me. Or that I wrote. The experience or the whole thing is so surreal na you don't know how to react to it.
Emosyonal naman si Gigo nang mapag-usapan ng ama who passed away last year.
I'd like to believe na it's my dad who's doing this because my dad is really my mom's #1 fan. And I'm guessing siyang gumagawa lahat nito. Siya nagdadasal to God to grant this to my mom.
At ngayon nagbabalik ang kanyang ina sa first love nito, which is singing. Makakaasa itong full support si Gigo in fulfilling her ultimate dream na 30 years in the making.
And I know that you gave it up for once for me and my brother. And now that we're okay na, I think it's time for you to have your dream naman. So siya naman. So, thank you, Ma.
I'm so happy. Yun lang masasabi ko. Wala akong masabi, wala akong mahihiling pa. Overall, I cannot really ask for anything else.
Okay.